Hey, Alec Peirce at the ranch. How you doing, guys? Got a couple more ideas here. Now, we're not farmers. We call it a ranch because it's a big piece of property and we have horses. I didn't want to call it a farm because that would imply that I work my butt off every day on a farm, which I don't do. Anyway, I don't know what to call it. So we call it a ranch. And, you know, as you folks know, if you live in the country, you have to have a lot of machinery. So we have a tractor, we have all kinds of implements for the tractor, we have an ATV, we have a side-by-side UTV, we have a snowmobile, we have a travel trailer, and on it goes. So we built this shed quite a while ago. This is right beside the garage. If I'd been thinking ahead 20 years ago, I would have built the garage and the shed as one big building, and just sealed off and insulated the garage, and anyway, I didn't. So this is a separate building. It's simply a post and beam type of building. We just sink posts into the ground, cement them, and bolt them together and put on steel siding. It's real simple, and it does a great job. It will keep all the heavy stuff. However, one of the problems that I faced was how to close the doors and seal them and lock them. It's tough to do sometimes. Most of these type of sheds, as with this one, have a sliding door. We just put the rail up top. The doors have wheels on them. I'm sure that a lot of you guys have sliding doors on a shed or a garage just like this. So you bring the door shut in front of your tractor, and when it comes to the end, we put on a heavy metal bracket that keeps the door from swinging. You see, one of the problems we have, besides security, is that it gets very windy here lots of times, and the doors bang and swing. Well, that's hard on the door, it's hard on the post, it's hard on the wheels, and it's noisy too. So we didn't want it swinging in the wind, and we want it to be secure. Now, how do you do that? Well, the next thing you have to do is you have to keep that door closed. We have 3 sliding doors, so we had to keep that door closed. So the next thing we did was close that door and seal it tightly. To seal it tightly, we simply used, I don't know if you can see that, Kevin, a great big hook and eye. So now we keep it tight. Push the door in, snap the hook. Now that door is solid. You can't swing, it's solid there. The third door, the last door way down there, if you can take a look here, Kevin, I'm not sure if you can see that, it's exactly the same. This door is exactly the same. Goes into a hook at the far end, and right here you can see that big hook and eye. Pull the door, it unhooks. That door is solid too. Okay, so we have 2 solid doors. That was the easy part. The third door, the middle door, is the problem, because we pull this over like so. Now what? How do I hold this door shut? I could put an eye hook right here, and on the other end too. Bit of a nuisance. Eye hooks work really, really well, but they're a bit of a nuisance. I'd have to have 2 of them, and there's no way to secure it easily. So finally I came up with a great idea. I think so anyway. I made this. Can you see that, Kevin? It's just a steel rod 2 feet long with a big iron ring in it. And I have a lock hanging right there as well. And here's what I did. I dug down, I closed the door to the right spot. I put that white mark there so that I can know roughly where it should stop so it lines up properly. Then over here, take a look down here, Kevin. You see here? This is pretty slick. What I did was I put a bunch of gravel in a hole, and then I sunk an iron pipe, 3/4 inch pipe, into that hole. This rod drops into that hole just like that. Now it's tight to the wall, tight to the door, so the door doesn't swing now. It doesn't bang around in the wind. And when we're away for a day or two, I just take that, pull it up to there, put the lock through it. Now it's secure. This can't be rolled back and forth, not easily anyway. If this doesn't roll, those doors can't be opened. So secure, doesn't bang in the wind. It worked really well for me. So there you go. Pipe sunk in the ground. Make up a rod with a ring on it. A nice big ring on the door. You see I had to put some pieces of wood in here to get it spaced just right so the door was held shut. I thought it was a good idea, and it sure works well. We've had it now for a couple of 3 years. I thought I'd share that with you. Maybe there's an idea in there that'll help. Okay guys, talk to you again soon. This is Alec Peirce at the ranch.